Wake up! You can't seriously be pulling beds in the center of the room. Over here, Cricket! Perfect timing! I know where Lu Sung is. Follow me!
So, today's the day. You seem like you have something to tell me.
Over here. You have been with us a while. Bring the book to me. Come over. Did you go through the book?
What did Master have to say? Guys, our little Cricket has become a formal disciple of our Hung Moon School. This calls for... You've done well. Now, before we begin, use the basic skill to destroy the training dummy. Try destroying the others as well. Well done. Use... Well done. Great job. This is as far as I can go. Use glide to move to the other side of the cliff. Tap jump. Tap air.
Well, first, try to destroy the training dummy in front of you. You've done well, Cricket. Now let's see if you can prove it. Let's see just how strong you are then. Not bad, Cricket. Get out of the circle and try restoring your chi. You've done well, Cricket. It's almost time. So, you finally learned how to... I'm going to head back first. Take your time.